Today, I got my hands on Yogaret LED ceiling light. I'm gonna show you what's inside the box and I'm gonna show you how to install this light for yourself. We have some screws in the box to make it easier for do the wires. The lamp is very high quality built and also very light. I like it. I'm gonna show you how to use it. There's only 2 wires in the back and there's one for the ground. I'm going to show you how to install it on the ceiling. First, I'm going to have to unscrew these screws right here real quick. And then we take this part out and then the lamp. And then we have the LEDs. These are the small LEDs all around. This is the place that you select the color temperature. We have the 3000K, 4000K, and 5000. I'm gonna leave it at 4000. We're gonna go ahead and install it on the ceiling and put everything back the way it was before. Okay, first I need to unscrew my old ceiling lamp, which was using too much power, and just unwire it. And now I'm just connecting the wires one by one, white, and put them in place. And then the black one, and secure the connection with the tools provided. Very easy. Now I put the screws in to hold the LED so I can lock it in place firmly. One by one, very easy. Now I make sure that the wires are connected properly. Turning the light on, it's working fine. And then I can change the color temperature to my desired color. This is the 3000, going for 4000 color temperature, and this one is 5000. I'm just gonna switch back to 4000 and leave it at that. Then we will go to the next step and I'm gonna put the cover and secure it in place and put on the screw caps. And now we have a very nice light. I'm really happy about this purchase. I have different options as far as the color temperature goes, and this is way brighter than my old ceiling light, and I'm really happy about it.